Hey guys, Happy New Year!
Wait, here, let me write it.
And what am I doing for my New Year? Well, editing videos. No, seriously, this is what it looks like. Anyone? You know what I'd rather be doing? This. Wait, what are we doing again? Yeah, that's what I'd rather be doing. This freaking editing for you guys. It's all for you guys. I do it all for you guys. Oh my god, I don't even know why I do this. But seriously guys, thank you for all your support on our videos. Since you all hate LEGO Dimensions, I'll try to get it up before the end of tonight. That'll be a marathon. One episode, one short episode, and then one very long one. If you can watch the whole thing, then good job. If you can't, because you'll probably get bored because of my stupid voice and Jake's faraway voice and Jack's... Sorry, Jack. Happy New Year! Well, then you don't have to watch it. Just skip over to the next video. Even if you hate LEGO Dimension, that's fine. Skip over to the next video. But seriously, I hope you all have a happy new year. My resolution is to upload more frequently since none of the other bros upload. Even though I initiated them by cutting off one of their pinky toes because they had 6 toes, which is actually pretty freaky since I was born with 5. And, wait, what am I talking about again? Well, enjoy the marathon and have a happy Christmas. Bye. Comment down below your New Year's resolution. I said mine, upload more frequently.